The key to a successful silk press is through preparation, elimination, ventilation, proper sectioning, and Step 1. Preparation. The day before you press your hair, make sure to treat your crown with protein. In order to make sure you don't become edgeless, yeah, I said it, you have to make sure the strength of your hair is at its peak. For my hair, I used Dove Oil Care Shampoo to clarify my hair 100% and applied Aphgee's 2-step protein treatment on my hair. I actually have a detailed video on it, which I'll link down below. This product is excellent. After washing out the protein treatment, I deep conditioned my hair with a matching conditioner, Dove Oil Care, then saturated my hair with black castor oil to lock in the moisture. Next day, continuing with prep, I saturated my hair with coconut oil as my pre-poo. I let it sit in my hair for about 4 hours. After that, I washed my hair twice with Suave coconut shampoo. This one was literally $1 Canadian, so I drenched my hair with this. At this point, you want to make sure you clean your scalp very, very well. I scrubbed my scalp very well, so it's completely clean, free of dandruff. Then I washed out all the shampoo with hot water to open up my hair cuticles. Then I applied Aussie 3-minute moisture deep conditioner. This thing smells so amazing. I left it in my hair for about 15 minutes. At this point, make sure to detangle your hair. First, use a wide tooth comb and then fine tooth comb to detangle your hair and make sure your hair is free of tangles. You will thank me later, trust me. After that, I washed it all out with cold water to shut my hair cuticles and lock in the moisture and nutrients. After that, I brought my hair to the point where my hair is perfectly damp. You always want to start your silk press with damp hair. Continuing with hair prep, I'm spritzing my hair with Design Essentials Bamboo and Silk Heat Protectant all over, but not too much. Then I'm following with Aphgee's Keratin Green Tea Restructurizer. This one is to strengthen my already strong and shiny crown. By the way, all the products and the tools will be linked down below. With a wide tooth comb, I'm going to evenly distribute the products. Finally, I'm adding the Silk Essentials to my hair. Note this, without this, your hair will never, ever have that silky smooth result. It's absolutely my holy grail product. I'm using 2 drops, spreading all over my palms and massaging it through my hair. Then follow up with comb again. Now, if your hair is short to shoulder length, use a drop of the serum. If past your shoulders, 2 drops. The longer your hair, the more you're going to need this product. But please be mindful, if you use too much of this, your silk press is going to become very, very greasy. I can promise you that. And if you don't use enough, the humidity is going to kill your hair, girl. And let me show you an example of that. You see this? It's super sparse, and you can tell this was right after I finished the silk press session, and it looks really bad. Next step is elimination. Usually I do this step prior pressing my hair, or even I would say a few days before. When I say elimination, I mean eliminating all the split ends, fried ends, knots, and tangles. Cut them all off. Let it go, or your silk press will not come out right. Your ends are going to be very sparse. In my case, the day before, I cut off about 1 inch to level my hair. I also trimmed and dusted my hair, so at this point my hair was free of bad ends. Moving on, ventilation, which is our third important point or step. Ladies, it's summer. When you are blow drying your hair, even if you don't see it, your bathroom is going to become very humid because of the blow dryer. So please open your bathroom windows, open your door, turn on the fan. This is so your perfectly blow dried hair won't revert, especially if you're natural, you can relate. I'm moving on to blow drying my hair now. Usually I section my hair into 4, but since my crown is much longer now, I'm going to blow dry a small section at a time. Usually I focus on the roots first. Starting from the bottom, stretch your section and blow dry in the direction your hair is growing, blowing the air from different directions. Focusing on the ends also because the ends are the most important part. Now here I am using the comb attachment to comb over my section to make sure I don't have any tangles. Then with the comb attached, I'm further blow drying. You see how straight my hair is? This is just blow dry, guys. I'm telling you, this comb attachment is life. It's only $4.99. I'll link it down below. Get you some, please. Focus on the roots. Stretch the ends of your hair. Use different angles and direction. Comb over. And blow dry with the attachment. Now look at that. Look at that. Last step before straightening my hair, I'm going to apply 2 more drops of the Silk Essentials serum again and work it into my hair, focusing on the ends of my hair because the ends are the most important. Okay, you want your ends to become very straight, so focus on the ends. Now I am ready to straighten my hair again with ventilation. Make sure your windows, your doors open, the fan is on. Now since I am an extra queen, I'm adding my beautiful fan to cool my hair after I straighten every section. This is so that I can shut the cuticles of my hair right after passing my hair with the straightener. It's going to add extra shine to my crown. Trust me, I'll show you the results. Number 4, proper sectioning. When it comes to silk press, it is very important to press your hair in small sections. I say about 1 centimeter parting. Obviously, you have to use the chase method. So find the finest fine tooth comb and do the chase method. Finally, speed. The slower you pass your straightener on your crown, the straighter and fluffier your hair is going to become. So take your time, especially at the roots and your ends. Go over the roots about 3 times. Also, every time you finish straightening your section, wipe off your comb. Make sure you remove any residue and move on to the next section. I'm not a professional, but guys, honestly, if you're going to silk press your hair, go hard or go home, honestly. Like, how are you going to straighten your hair with 300 degrees? Jack it up, okay? You already prepped your hair. You have heat protectant in your hair. Stop being scared. Put it up to 455 degrees, girl. What are you on about? And straighten your hair. Your hair is going to become very straight and fluffy. If you're too scared, I guess you can use 420 degrees. And now I'm repeating the steps. So just listen to the music, relax, and watch my hair transform. Ta-da! My hair has grown so much, guys. Oh my goodness. Do you remember when I used to be a mushroom? And my hair is so long now. And this is actually the day after I cut off about an inch of my hair. I started from the bottom. Now I'm here. Now, seriously, you guys remember when I used to be Dora the Explorer? Yeah. My hair has grown so much. Honestly, trimming your hair is very important, guys. It works. All jokes aside, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like this video. It helps me out. It helps me a lot. And also check out the description box for all the information. As always, God bless you. I love you. Bye.